Hi, my name is Jason. Today we're going to be going over a high-level overview as well as the implementation for our platform Invest Pro. Let's go ahead and get started. First thing we're going to start off with is the dashboard, where we include information for users and investors alike to learn more about our platform as well as the different features and functionalities that we offer. Now let's go into our next step. We're going to be utilizing the React adapter from Aptos, which allows us to connect our wallet that's linked to our Gmail. We're going to select our Gmail, which has already been logged in on this specific Chrome browser. As we can see here, this is the main account as well as the wallet that's associated with our Gmail. Let's go ahead and approve. Now we see the dashboard, which has information that's related to our specific wallet, as well as previous trades and existing balance that we've had so far. We also offer different investment opportunities for users to continue to explore, as well as choose to invest now, which they should. We also have the ability to sell and buy on these specific investment opportunities. Now going back into the code, let's go ahead and explore our Wallet Connect. As I mentioned earlier, we're utilizing the wallet adapter from Aptos, which integrates seamlessly with our React and TypeScript front end. We chose React and TypeScript for easy state management, as well as performant renderings, as well as the ability for us to integrate seamlessly with the TypeScript SDK that Aptos provides. Walking through this code, we ensure that we initialize a config client connection to the testnet from Aptos. We also fetch various information and facilitate connections and disconnections. This is all handled within our index.ts, in which we define various endpoints such as balance, provided an account address, as well as transferring funds, and the ability to purchase a specific investment or sell or withdraw your money from that specific investment. This utilizes the existing Aptos transaction functionality and API keys. Let's go ahead and explore the different components from our investments. Let's walk through the view details. As we can see here, we have various metrics that are related to this specific investment opportunity. We fetch information related to historical data of this specific coin that's been minted or investment opportunity that's been minted for our platform. We also have metrics, which showcases the various metrics calculated from our backend, as well as the different asset allocations of this specific strategy. Much of this information could be stored within our database, but this can also be fetched on the blockchain, which is what we seek to explore in the future. Let's go ahead and click Invest Now. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be buying some amount of this specific investment strategy utilizing Aptos coins from our wallet. As we can see here from the Aptos SDK that's been provided, we have some amount of network fee that's going to be charged, as well as the Aptos that we're looking to purchase with this investment. Let's go ahead and approve that. And as you can see here, our transaction has been successful. Going back into our logic, based on the Wallet Connect, what's going to happen is that from this dashboard component, which has our various strategy cards and strategy investment information, it's going to call our Wallet Connect component, which is the buy button that performs the action that then sends that event or request to our endpoints defined in Express to make a purchase for a specific investment. Now, you might be wondering, well, how do we know that the Aptos coins that have been provided to this crypto manager or this specific investment strategy are safe? How do I know that I'm going to be able to withdraw the amount of money that I invested initially? Well, the great thing is that Aptos provides vault technology. This vault functionality allows us to ensure that there exists a lockup period for the money that we invest into any one of these specific strategies. That's defined within the smart contract. revisiting that idea of locking or utilizing a vault type of approach for our specific smart contract to ensure that crypto managers aren't going to move our money elsewhere, let's go ahead and revisit the Invest Now button. As we can see, we can define a lockup period of 1 month with our APT of 0.05 to ensure that the crypto manager doesn't transfer this money to different places. Now, how are we going to do that? Let's go over the concept of our smart contract. Now, we've implemented something with the help of the Aptos Learn a code examples, which is called a vesting token move contract. Now, how this works is we define a sponsor. The sponsor allows us to lock up a certain amount of Aptos such that I, as the recipient, is going to be able to collect interest on the amount of gains that my crypto has accumulated, as well as recollect the principal once the lock has expired, as we've defined here. This is all interactable through our existing API endpoints, which we'll need to extend to ensure that we allow additional functionality, such as updating the lock, moving the lock, and reassigning the lock as well. Thanks.